back to the Phase Performance YouTube channel. Just here, it's pretty early in the morning. Drinking my coffee, getting ready to do this unboxing video. This unboxing is going to be a step towards the direction that I want the channel to go. My brother and I are trying to figure out what we want to do exactly with it, but pretty exciting. This is like stepping out of my comfort zone. I've been in the military for almost 10 years now, and I'm actually looking to finish that up in the next year or so, if not 2 years, and move on to the next phase. I think I kind of figured out what I want to be when I grow up. But with that being said, we'll go ahead and get to it. Go ahead and start. First box. This one's gonna, I mean, any of them would give it away right away, but we'll go ahead and get this one out of the way. As you can see, AHP AlphaTIG 201XD. It's an AC/DC dual voltage TIG welder. Alright, we'll see if I can do some of this one-handed. I personally am a complete amateur at welding. Played around with an old wire feed machine way back in the day. But alright, well, I'll get the rest of this off later. Anyways, so there we have it. There's the AlphaTIG 201XD. From AHP Welders. I did a lot of research on them. I was kind of stuck between this and another machine. This seemed to be, for its price point, one of the better quality machines that was AC/DC capable, because I'd like to learn both processes for both steel and aluminum. And you know, most people start out doing MIG, which is easier process, still has its own quirks and whatnot, but TIGging is one of the harder processes to learn, and I figured I would challenge myself right from the start. This is all with the intent in going to welding school in the future, once I'm clear of the military obligation. Sorry, trying to get my coffee in here, but looks like a solid unit. Like I said, all the reviews that I read online were pretty solid for them. Some of the more professional guys even use these for smaller jobs and whatnot. Like I said, for its price point, I don't think that I could get a better deal. Up to 200 amps. It's an overall solid unit. Let me go ahead and open up the rest of these packages here. Get on this one. There we have it. So that's what all comes in the welder box, the large box, the single box that you'll get from them. This kit, it includes a Rotaflex torch. They give you, I believe it is number 9 and number 17 torch heads for it. Obviously correct me if I'm wrong, but it comes with a Nova pedal. Also you got a switch, so we can do switch on. Got that. Like I said, it is a 120 capable convertible machine, so it's pretty neat there. It comes with your gas line and a regulator. You got an earth clamp there. I think the coolest thing from what I'm reading, and I mean it just makes sense, that the Rotaflex head, it's very versatile. It helps you get into tighter spaces if you're doing, you know, roll cage work and stuff like that. If you want to take it together, just easier to get into smaller crevices with that. But you get two, like I said, two different sets of consumables. You've got your cups, collet bodies, stubby backs, so you can get really tight in there. See that there. Comes with a lot of good, seems like good quality stuff. All the reviews, like I said, all the reviews that I've been reading, they've got nothing but pretty good words for everything that comes with this kit. Can't wait to get started on it. I've got to get the argon bottle here, and then it's time to start practicing. I've got some old scrap metal from the crash bar from this car, my Mazda Speed 3 that you've seen in the first video. Link right there for that. This is gonna really hopefully get us going on this channel, get us a new get us in a good direction. I really like to fab a lot of my own stuff. I just feel like it would help me gain some more satisfaction out of the build, because a lot of times, you know, you're waiting on parts and stuff like that, but you could be, you know, knocking out some small fab work that perfectly capable of doing if you could just have it in your garage and have the skills. So trying to learn a new skill here, and we'll hopefully see some pretty cool content in the future. Like I said, me and my brother are going to tackle this together. We're going to learn from each other and learn off our own mistakes at first. He's going to go to school probably before me, so he'll probably be teaching me a lot of the stuff that we're doing. But that being said, I'm going to go ahead and crack open these other boxes and show you the other equipment that I got to get started. And I'll go ahead and open these smaller items just with a snap. All right, so like I said, that big box was just a pain in the butt. That housed the 24-inch T-square and the Lincoln Electric Eliminator welding helmet, or hood, whatever you want to call it. It's an auto darkening variable shade lens, has a grind mode. Wasn't too expensive, so I figured, you know, to get started, something to get me going. With that, I've got some tungstens. I got the purple rare earth mix, general good all-around tungsten. Not really a specific use from what I was reading, just fairly cheap, so good to get started on. I got some magnets to hold pieces together at angles and whatnot, so I can practice different welds, just enough to get it tacked together. A lot of welding is coordination, so those act as like a third hand basically in certain situations. I also got these welding gloves, just something to get me started. Like I said, did a little bit of research, had some time and whatnot. And then an angle finder and level. It is magnetized and little guy, but yeah, should do me pretty well as I get started, trying to make sure that things are level and practicing it the right way, on making sure that you know, things are squared up and, you know, I'm not going to have one side sagging over the other and whatnot. I am going to do a time lapse of me putting the welding cart together. That's what that is there. It was like $100, China special, you know. We'll see how it goes together. It should be big enough, and it's got 3 drawers in it, so I should be able to store all my stuff in it and do that there. So, yep, let me go ahead and cut to that now. That's gonna wrap it up. Really appreciate everything. My absence, I was actually deployed, so couldn't really say much about it before, but back now. Only gone for 3 months. Really looking forward to pressing on and getting stuff going. Really ready to just tear into these cars and have some fun with them. We also have some potential news. I'm not gonna spill the beans yet, but we might be trading one of the fleet vehicles to another platform. It is a rear-wheel drive platform, that's what I will say. Nothing is guaranteed yet, so I don't want to spill anything on that, but other than that, thanks for watching. Really appreciate everything. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Other than that, have a great day. Stay frosty.